Hi students, welcome to Lavanya chemistry classes. In this video lesson, I am going to teach you about borax. What is borax? Write the chemical formula of borax, that means borax chemical formula, and natural sources of borax, and write the structure of borax and borax reactions, and some more frequently asked questions. I told you about what is borax. What is borax? Borax is a compound consisting of an elementary substance, that is boron, which is united to oxygen and soda. The borax formula is also known as sodium tetraborate. Sodium tetraborate formula or disodium tetraborate formula is explained in this article. The borax is a soft, colorless compound of boron and can be dissolved in water. The main forms of borax are anhydrous and decahydrate salt. Anhydrous, decahydrate salt, and sometimes as a pentahydrate salt. Borax is the borax decahydrate or sodium tetraborate. Sodium tetraborate. The borax is first invented in Tibet. The borax formula is Na2B4O7 10H2O or Na2B4O5 OH 4 times 8H2O. These two are borax formula. Chemical formula of borax is Na2B4O7 10H2O. Na2B4O7 10H2O is called the name as borax decahydrate. In borax decahydrate consisting number of sodium atoms are 2, number of boron atoms are 4, number of oxygens 17, number of hydrogen atoms are 20. These are H20B4Na2O7. This is the molecular formula of borax. This is the molecular formula of borax. What is the chemical formula? Na2B4O7 10H2O, and molecular formula is H20B4Na2O17. The borax is a soft material and colorless compound of boron. Soft powder and colorless compound, and it is dissolved in water. The borax structure is like this. Each boron atom surrounding 3 oxygen atom, that is BO3 units. BO3 units. The structure of borax is like this. And next one is the reactivity of borax. The borax is reactive with hydrochloric acid, produce boric acid. The borax reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce boric acid. That is, the formula is, the equation is Na2B4O7 10H2O is the borax formula which is reacting with hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, to give a boric acid BOH thrice. BOH thrice or H3BO3 is called the name as boric acid. Borax reacting with hydrochloric acid to produce boric acid along with the sodium chloride and some water. Along with the sodium chloride and some water. It is used in food or pharmaceutical industries and used to kill dirty pans or pots or dirt, stainless remover. So this is the borax. This is the borax. What is borax? The sodium tetraborate or borax decahydrate. The molecular formula is Na2B4O7 10H2O is the chemical formula, and H20B4Na2O17 is the molecular formula. What is sometimes they are asking the question is like this: Borax chemical formula. Write the borax chemical formula. And structural formula of borax. Next one is the borax reaction. And sometimes they ask the questions like this: what is the other name of borax? What is the other name of borax? That is, borax is also known as sodium tetraborate, like sodium tetraborate. Sodium tetraborate is also called as borax. And next one is the write the chemical formula of borax. That is the Na2B4O7 10H2 is the chemical formula of borax. Where was borax discovered? They are Tibetans, like it was first discovered in the dry lakes beds of Tibet. And list two uses of borax, that is used to kill insects such as ants. It is also used as a get rid of molds and stains. These are the borax. This is the borax. Thank you. Please subscribe and share your friends.